Okay, we're looking at page 326, 22 to 24 here. There's some graph paper involved. It says, I'm just reading from the book here, coordinate graph, given points A, B, and C in the coordinate plane as shown, find the fourth point described below. So they're going to give you one more point, and then you're going to create a parallelogram. So for 22, figure out point D, for 23, point E, 24, point F. So it says 22, find point D somewhere on this graph so that ABCD is a parallelogram. And so when you do this, it is critical. You already have A, B, and C. It is critical the order. D here is right after C. I mean, take note of that, because when we get to 23 and 24, that is how things are going to be different. So if we were going to have a parallelogram, the way this is ordered, it goes A connects to B, B connects to C, and I don't know where D is yet, but C would connect to D, so D is going to be somewhere here, and then D would go back and connect with A. So you don't want to just guess. Because it's a parallelogram, you're basically going to be counting slopes. To get from B to A is going to be the same as C to wherever D is. So if I look at letter D, B to A, this is 3 down, 1 across. To get from B to A, 3 down, 1 across, and you're going to just repeat that with C, 3 down, 1 across. And this is where D is going to be. And if I repeat that same 3 down, 1 across, what ends up happening is, of course, you're going to end up with parallel lines. Thus, it's a parallelogram. And so D would be this location right here, which in this case, D is, what is this location? 4, left, right, up and down, 0. Okay? There's the parallelogram. Now, number 23, I'm going to do on this graph here. And it says, okay, find point E. You got the same 3, A, B, and C here, but then they want you to figure out point E. But notice, E is not the last letter. It is between B and C here. First, you go A to B, so I'm kind of just connecting the dots. And then, wherever E is, I go B to E, then E to C, and then C connects back to A. So the other one is C goes back to A. So E is going to be somewhere here. And then I'm going to have a parallelogram, okay? And you just pretty much, in order to get a parallelogram, you're going to have this side be parallel to whatever side is over here to the right. This left should be parallel to that. And so essentially you just count. 3 up, 1 across. 3 up, 1 across. And this would be with a new E, the letter E, because it would create a parallel line left and right. And by the way, up and down would be the same. Up 1, across 4, up 1, across 4. You would get the same exact parallelogram. So the key here, why these two are different, even though you start with the same A, B, and C, is the location. D is at the end, E is the third letter, and then finally for 24, and we'll do 24 here on this remaining graph, figure out point F. It immediately goes A goes to F. Well, where the heck is F? F goes to B, B connects to C, and C connects back to A. So F is somewhere here now. Okay, so we're going to figure out F is immediately following A. So it's all about the location and order. So again, wherever this line is here that I'm about to create, it needs to be parallel to this C to B. So I'm going to just go up 2, across 3, up 2, across 3. This is where the new point is, and this point for 24 is letter F. And of course you can just see that things are a parallelogram once you connect it. Oh, by the way, I didn't give this location. F here is -2, up 4. And on 23 I didn't give E. E would be, what is this? This is 6 over, 6 up. 6, 6. Okay?